Learning through play and movement is so important. So this week, while we're practicing our strategies, I'd like you to try a few things. So one of our strategies to do addition problems is using your fingers. So if we have 4 plus 2 more, we put them together and you have 6. It's okay to use your fingers, but sometimes the problems are too big that you only have 10 fingers and maybe you need something else. The reason we teach you different strategies is because sometimes one strategy works better for somebody's brain than another strategy. So find what works for you. Mrs. Howard, instead of counting on her fingers, I'm more of a visual learner, so I like to draw pictures. So if I had 5 plus 3, I would, and we know that I don't draw very well, but I would draw circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3. And then I'd count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. If you want to get creative and you want to do a story problem, you could say, Mrs. Howard had 5 smiley faces on the board. And you could do smiley faces, you could draw whatever you want to draw. Another strategy is using a number line. Now, do we always have a number line around? No, but it helps you learn when you start thinking about the number line. So you could either draw a number line and use it. So let's try that same problem with the number line. Let me add 0. Okay, so my first number is 5. So I'm going to start on the 5 plus 3. So we're going to do 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. One thing you can do is if you have Post-it notes or just pieces of paper, in our classroom we have a number line on the floor already, but you could use the Post-it notes and write all of your numbers up to 12. So I did that. And I would put them in order, which is also good practice. So I have my number line there. Maybe you have some dice. The first way would be just to have a dice, and you would roll it, and it says 6. So what number would I start on? I would start on the 6 plus 1. So I'm going to hop over 1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. If you want to get a little bit harder, you could have somebody give you a story problem. And you could spread these out so you could hop a little bit better, or you could use your dolls. I'm going to use my gingerbread. You could use your stuffed animals. One day, the gingerbread girl had 4 animal crackers. So where am I going to start? I'm going to start on the 4. So she has 4. The gingerbread boy gave her 5 more. So now we're going to jump how many times? She's on the 4, 5 more, so we're going to hop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. I want to see you play this at home. Either use pieces of paper or Post-it notes, or Mrs. Howard loves to use the little paper plates. Use your stuffed animals, use your gingerbread, and write down your problems. You could also go to a mom or a dad or whoever's at home with you and say, okay, write me a bunch of problems. Have them write you out some problems, and then use some of the strategies to do that. So like the first one, 4 plus 2. Where am I going to start? I'm going to start on my 4. How many steps over am I going to go? 4 plus 2. So 4, 1, 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then write the answer to your problem. Send me a video or a picture of you using either your gingerbread or your own body doing the strategy of using a number line. 3 plus 5. The gingerbread girl's going to start on the 3. And she's going to hop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Next one. Ooh, a hard one. 6 plus 6. The gingerbread woman is going to start on the 6. And then we're going to add 6 because it's 6 plus 6. So she needs to hop 6 times. Let's hop her 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Manipulatives to do problems. I'm going to use cheese crackers. So our first equation is 4 plus 2. So first I'm going to get 4 crackers. And I'm going to add how many more? 2. So how many is 4 plus 2? Let's count them in touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6.